there, boys and girls of the YouTube world. Today, Duffy and I are out for a rip in the old orange Ford, and we're Cheech and Chonging her pretty good through the dash. I think we need a heater core. Yeah, Duffy's all messed up. So, I guess we're gonna rip a heater core out of a 71 Ford, which is probably, oh my goodness. It's so sweet, Duffy. Burns my eyes. Which is the same as a 67 to 72 Ford F100, F250, 350, whatever. Oh, that's the good stuff. What is that, Duffy? Phew! Well, got the hood open. Did that all on my own. I'm just gonna kind of wing her here, so not a lot of information on these things because they're not a Chevy, so they just assume that they don't break down or that you don't know anything and you hire somebody to do it. I don't know, Ford stuff. So there's our two heater hoses. We're gonna take those clamps off, and then thanks Chin Strap for quitting grinding back there. I'm gonna take those three out of there. Stud the nuts off the studs. Oh, and he's back at it again. And hopefully the heater box just pops right out. I don't know. Let's just. Oh yeah, she's a little soggy in there. Here we go. So we got our catch pan in place. Gonna take these heater hoses off. Make sure you do this when it's good and warm, because then they slide off way easier. Duffy is that pan. Quit licking that up. Just kidding, he's outside taking a nap. Holy shit, Nikes. Like I said, make sure and do it when it's good and hot. Right, Chin?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a... singes the nostrils. Take the radiator cap and it quits making that funny noise though. I wonder if a guy should plug those. We're getting about 12% of it in the bucket. Anyway, sprayed the squirrel piss on these. Turn the ratchet the right way. I think I hate antifreeze almost as much as brake fluid. All right. Let's do some tugging on the inside and see what happens. All right. Hey. So you're saying there's a chance it might come out of there?
Without taking it out.
Unhook the old defrost, the one that's still hooked up. Oh. Well, there's the other defrost that should be hooked up. Maybe. Drop right out there. Get going. Hey. Got it. Unhooked a couple of wires. Oh yeah, those nuts on the firewall, they were 7/16. Flat screwdriver to take the heater hoses off. Looks like this is a 3/8 and another 3/8 for the cables. Make sure you get those adjusted right. Oh no. There we go. Let me put it back together. Slide the cable off. There we go. Put her on the bench. So we're gonna blow this heater core housing apart. 5/16 socket. Sometimes these even come with a prize inside. Oh yeah. It's a little greasy in there. And then you pop this fancy little Ford patented clip out of the way. And Yahtzee, you've got yourself a nice greenish coppered colored heater core. You take your new one, well packaged by Rock Auto. Good work, guys. New ones are aluminum, not as efficient. Make sure it's the same-ish. Good enough for the girls I go with. And then you slide her in there. Before we do that, let's clean the goodness out. Oh, which way did this go in there?
That's weird.
Gosh dang it. Oh yeah. Just like so. Slide the new heater core in. Put our clip back in place. I think that's supposed to hold it as well. If I blow this cover out. The tombstone grinder.
Hanger on this?
So we got our box all whammied back together. I don't know, 7 or 8 screws. I think we got to put one back in after we get it in there because it. Oh, it's a ground wire, so it's not that one. Shoot. Top, bottom, back, top side. This one. Let's throw her back in. All right, make all the noise you want. Now we're going to adjust each of these cables so they're retracted all the way. Are you kidding me? Both cables run on the same lever? What about the temp? Oh, that one goes outside. That's fair. Well, I guess that makes sense. So we're just going to adjust them. Holy buckets. We're going to just turn it all the way to off. So that one's all the way in and that one's all the way out and go from there. So, which one goes where? Both the same length. So the way I adjusted this is I put the lever all the way to off. So this one is for defrost, and that's retracted all the way. Son of a biscuit, is that right? This is dumb. All right, so when you hook these up, slide this all the way to off, and the one that is fully extended is your defrost. And the one fully retracted is for your heat. So hook up our defrost first. Heat is fully retracted second. Hook up our fan wires, ground. Power wire. Resistor. Rheostat, whatever you want to call it. Wait for that snapping noise so you know that it's broken. Where is the other defrost vent? There it is. Slide her up in place. Hey Zach, you want to go see if those studs are
Just low when you find the hole.
Just put some spit on it. Yeah, it's probably a two-person job to have somebody guide you to the hole. That light is dead. And then let's clip this boot back on so we got 4 vents. Don't clean that out because the mice probably never lived in there. Hook up our defrost, ducts. Let's go tighten up some hardware and put some hoses on. Let's tighten up our mounting studs on the firewall. You're going to want to really crank on those so they snap off. Oh, why are these not sticking through that far? Aftermarket junk or what? Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, let's just pull that out so we can really latch onto her good, because that's gonna work. Maybe. Not bad. Stay down there. Give me a pull test. Oh yeah, those are running real good. Now we just got to top her off with the coolant that we saved and caught it all. Check for leaks. Should be good to go. Don't you burp back on me. Oh, come on. Knock it off. There you go. We're going to treat this thing right. Even top her off with a little bit of new stuff. Now we'll run her for a bit. Let her cool down, check it. Make sure you keep that jug in the vehicle, because it's probably going to need some more. Well, still got to top off the fluids, but the temp gauge stayed where it needed to be. Duff and I took it for a little rip. Got a few errands done. Improved, right? Good enough. I'm going to have a ham and cheese here. Celebrate this momentous occasion that we get the pumpkin patch back on the road. And yeah, go on to something bigger and better. So thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, ring the bell, whatever you gotta do. Have a good one, everybody. Oh yeah. That was worth it. So good. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. You want to say bye to everybody on YouTube?